Hey everyone, so what you're looking at here is a bag that inflates with air, and we're using this, we're going to have this on standby because we may need to use it to lift the tripod that's going to be floating, the big steel tripod looking structure that's going to be supporting the weight of the EcoPod. So we're getting ready to move everything onto the water Monday and Tuesday next week. This is part of the prep work. The bag here is just in case the pod is too heavy and it starts to sink the tripod that's supporting it. Because we have a bit of a complicated process to start this. We need to fill the floating tripod with a lot of water, so it goes a little bit lower than normal. And we're doing that because we have to lift this whole house up with this what's called a travel lift. So we're lifting up the system, the whole house, and putting it on top of the floating platform. But we don't want to lift it really high out of the water or over the water, because that's the higher you lift the house, the more unstable the whole travel lift mechanism becomes. So we want to keep it as low as possible. So therefore we want to sink the tripod as low as we can in the water, but we don't want it to get too low and sink. So that's why we have these. We have actually 6 of these. So this is a big inflatable, very strong inflatable bag. Each bag can produce, I think, about 2 tons of buoyancy. So between the 6 bags, we can lift about 12 tons. The entire steel structure weighs about 17 tons, so it won't carry the whole weight, but it gives us some extra support. We don't need that much support, but we want to have them on standby just in case we need the lift. So we had this inflated earlier today, so it inflates pretty big. It's pretty big. It's maybe 3 cubic meters, maybe 4, maybe 5. Not more than 5, probably more like 3 to 4 cubic meters of an area. So yeah, that was the first time we had it inflated today. So it's all going to be on standby just in case we need it. Hopefully we don't need it, but we're launching the pod in the water, and we haven't done this before in this configuration, and we haven't put something like this complex and this heavy on top of a floating structure before. So we want to just have all the precautions ready to go.